Hello there, family friend. Viewer from across the world. Joey Jones is back on the road. Let me just set this up real quick right here, so we can go ahead and proceed this little quick video that I got for you guys. First of all, let me say congratulations to all the ones that got their CDLs and are trucking already. And congratulations. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for your thumbs up. We really appreciate that, and your comments, of course, and all the positive messages, of course, and all the positive replies. First, and I'm gonna say this one more time, this trucking industry is not for everybody, and sometimes we work, and sometimes we work hard, and sometimes we want more. So a lot of us, what we do is we'll go ahead and think about what we want next, and then a lot of us want to be truck drivers. You know, it goes for the females as well. And it's not easy. It's not easy because one is that if you don't have the funds to complete or to pay for the whole entire tuition or the whole entire schooling, then that's when it comes a lot harder, because that's when you have to join the school. You know, join Swift. You know, you have Schneider, you have CR England, of course, and all these other schools that you can go to. And of course, they will get you your driver's license and put you on the road. And once you're on the road, then you have to, of course, pay them back. I know that Swift, you know, every week they'll take something out. But do they take the whole check? I don't know. I know they take half. CR England take half of your check. So whatever you make, they'll take half of whatever you owe. So you don't bring a lot, of course. I already said that in a couple of videos, and of course, there's a lot of people that's been calling me, and people that know me have been calling me. People that on YouTube, of course, they've been emailing me, and it's like they just want out. They're trying to figure out how to get out. And it's not easy, man. It's not easy. I keep telling you. And it's not easy. Once you're in, you're in. And then how to get out, it depends on how much experience you have. Because if you come in as a trainee, you gotta wait. You have to wait till you get your experience and all. I always tell everybody that if you join CR England, you know, stay there for the first 3 months and then just take off. You know, take off, and you decide what you want to do, and then you'll talk to them and have them see if they put you on a payment plan so you can pay them back, you know. And again, I always say it, not everybody's gonna hire you because of that contract, you know, that contract with CR England. But it can be done, trust me, it can be done. You just need your experience, and of course, being away from home is not easy. Being away from home is not easy. I did it, and it was not easy, man. But on the long run, it was worth it, and it was worth it. Yeah, it was worth it. And I'm my own boss. I got day cabin. You know, I got my partner right there. He's getting loaded. I'm getting ready to get loaded too, and I thank God for that. And of course, there's a lot of you that wanna some ideas. Of course, I don't mind. You can email me at dronesoutworldscott@gmail.com. I will have my email at the bottom. And of course, I mean, CR England all the way. I mean, they're nice people, good company. Can't really complain about them. You know, just do what you gotta do, and just be safe. You know, watch your tandems when you're taking the curves. Watch them when you get out of look. You know, and 3 points of contact coming in and out the vehicle. And I'm here for you, buddy, or female, whoever. You know, if they need a good advice, I'm here. So again, thanks for subscribing, and the viewers, and hopefully you can go ahead and move on. And good luck with you and yours. And we love y'all. God bless y'all. So don't forget to fly safe, be safe, drive safe. I will see you in my next video, and just be safe, and take care. All right, thanks for watching.